Health risks associated with lead substances. Are you aware of the various items we use in our daily lives that expose us to lead substances? A new study found significant levels of lead in cosmetics on the Ugandan market, such as lipstick, nail polish, bleaching creams, and body gel. Lead can also be found in other items like local concoctions of herbs and clay, commonly known as emombwa, and crops grown in wetlands like yams and rice. Lead is used in lead-acid batteries as a coloring agent, paints and metal alloyed as shielding materials, smelters, printing presses, and so on. What are the health risks associated with lead? It causes organ damage to the brain, heart, kidney, and reproductive system, with children and women being more vulnerable. Experts say that exposure of pregnant women to excess lead can cause miscarriage, stillbirths, premature births, and low birth weight. Lead also leads to male infertility by lowering sperm count, mortality or death, viability and DNA integrity, affecting libido and semen quality. In women, it can lead to babies with congenital defects or impairments. It increases adults' risk of high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, and renal damage. What is the way forward? Industry location must be planned. Most companies send effluents into swamps, rivers, and lakes, and some include lead. We need a regulatory framework for imports, notably cosmetics for women, to prevent contamination with lead. Before purchasing cosmetics, read the material safety data sheet or label. Prioritize public awareness programs so farms can be sensitive of the environment and people and avoid potentially hazardous regions. Identify lead poisoning hotspots and safeguard the public. The recommended interventions include using washable, lead-free water paint instead of oil paint,